Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. And I've got a special one for the CLK today, and I think you guys should really try it out. I think it's going to make a huge difference, but pretty much this video, from the title and the thumbnail, we are installing our first sprint booster on the CLK. I've seen quite a few videos about, the sprint booster, and I must say, hey, it's a must, modification that needs to be done on your CLK. We're gonna get it installed today, and we're gonna go test it out and see how it feels having a sprint booster on a stage 2 as well as a stage 2 TCE tune. I think it's gonna be a little crazy, but it doesn't add any horsepower at all, but it's gonna feel like you just added horsepower to the car. So it's kind of weird to think about it or to say, but the throttle response is going to be crazy. If you guys haven't heard of sprint booster, definitely go check out some videos out on YouTube, and you guys will see exactly how this thing works. Already kind of started here. I've gone ahead and just pulled out the bottom dash and throttle. Pretty much what you have to do is, there is a cover holding on to the throttle itself. This piece right here, this is, I believe, a 10 millimeter. I used a 10 millimeter to take this off. So that's gonna come off of the throttle, and pretty much you're gonna take this off. I had two Torx screws holding this. Let's see if I can show you guys. Right there, and the other is right there. I believe that's a Torx. Let's see. I use a T15, but I believe it might be a T20. Anyways, before you start this installation, so you don't get like any sort of like check engine light, pretty much what I did was I opened the door and I'm letting it sit for at least 15 minutes. You're supposed to let it sit for 10 minutes to let the CAN bus just scan the whole car. Because German engineering, I'm waiting 15 minutes. I'll show you guys how to install it. So just keep watching, and once we're done installing, we'll see how the car feels. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a little module here. This actually goes into the pedal, and then whatever you remove out of the pedal, this connects to it. And you can see this white piece right here, it connects to this guy right here. All right, so just looking at it here, this squeeze tabs and then pull out, and you should be able to get this out. All right, so I got it out. This is the female portion. This is what came out of the throttle, and we're gonna go ahead and connect the male section from the sprint booster in here. And it's pretty much gonna look something like this. And then obviously this section looks the same as this right here. So that's gonna go right into the throttle right here. Okay, so just a quick guide for you guys. There is some sort of ledge right here. The throttle pretty much just pushes right into it, and it would click in. That's how you'll be able to match where the screw goes on your pedal. So mine is already clicked in, but just to reference here real quick. There it is. See right there, that's when you know it's perfectly seated in there. Check it out, we got it all installed. That looks really clean. The bottom there, I just need to tuck it just a little bit. Actually, is it tucked in there? Oh yeah, you can't see it at all. So that's where I chose to put it. Makes the most sense. I mean, it's up to you guys to stick it wherever you want, but I chose to stick it here. I'm able to actually see what I'm looking at. That's probably the best spot, but I'm excited. Let's go out for a test drive. So pretty much this is what we have. The red means it's in race mode. Green means it's in, what would you call it, sports mode. And I think it remembers the settings you left it on. There we go. So for race mode, I'm definitely gonna keep that at a 9. I can't really tell, guys. I gotta get this car really warmed up. It takes a while for it to warm up, actually. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's crazy. Man, that throttle response is ridiculous. In terms of like how quickly it's responding, man. All right, let's try this one more time here. You can really feel it. Like, you can really feel it right when you start going. Just be me, but I don't know if I feel a difference. Now the main thing is, since this car is a stage 2 along with the stage 2 transmission tune, I'm gonna have to talk to Tony about this and see exactly what he says, because I'm not too sure if, you know, the tune already does this and this works great with a car that's stock. So that's where I lie with this thing. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, the car, it still feels pretty much the same. I'm gonna have to get in touch with Tony. I'm pretty sure he probably knows about this, but I'm gonna have to get in touch with him and tell him exactly what this thing does. Let me try it on a different mode. Okay, it's completely off at the moment. That was instant throttle response. Wait a minute. Holy crap. Okay. Never mind. Wow. That's crazy. Guys, I think this is making a difference. I haven't turned it off yet, but I just did that pull. That actually felt really great. Like, it just felt like the throttle response was crazy. Okay, it's hard to describe it here, but let me turn this off here real quick. Okay, so it's completely off. Okay, I felt that delay, that lag. Let me turn it back on. Okay, that one, I don't know. It felt the same. Interesting. I don't know, guys. I would have to talk with Tony. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I want to. Okay, so if you guys do have this in your car, and you already have a stage 2 tune or some sort of stage 1 tune from a different company, just put it down in the comments. I want to see what you guys actually think about, you know, this while having a tune on your car. I know for sure this is probably going to work best with a stock car because it's stock, and once you install this, obviously it's going to be something neat. We'll do one more pull here. It's in race mode at the moment. I just turned it back on. Pick this video up separate video. All right, so I actually ended up having Monica drive the car, and she sees a huge difference with the throttle response. Coming to a stop and then reaccelerating again. Like, I feel like a huge difference. Like, the car just jolts. Yeah, so I figured I'll have someone else drive the car just to see exactly if there is a difference.